What's going on, everybody? This is Keem, and I've been working on the RV tonight. I just put this roof flashing in. It's like asphalt tape with aluminum backing. This is right here. It's called roof flashing, and I put this in my sports cars because I got some. I'm really into audio, and it's great for sound deadening, and it has that reflective aluminum, so it's great for winterization, for heat, cooling. It's a win-win. I really like it a lot. It's like a cheaper alternative to Dynamat. It's not as thick as Dynamat, but for the price, it's great. Put it all around the. I'm also gonna put it in the door panels too. All these door panels, this whole flooring, especially over there, because I heard there's a lot of heat problems over there from the transmission and the engine. I'm gonna fix that problem. But this car is gonna sound very luxurious, very quiet. In here, I'm probably gonna maybe rip out the carpet and do that, or just put really thick blankets or something to insulate this, because I know a lot of cold air comes from here. So I spray foam over here, and over here I gotta go back to it, fix it up a little bit. Filled up this spot right here. I had some wood rot over here, and I filled it up. Same over here. And I just patched this wall up right here. I patched up this corner. Just caulked all the corners. And we'll be priming all the nice, so for paint, we'll get it ready for paint. So yeah, one funny thing I did last night. I tried to fill up this whole gap with foam. I sprayed a whole can, and it wouldn't fill up, and I was wondering why. The next morning, I got out and look at this monstrosity right here. It fell right through. So I think this is a problem with the Seabreeze, that there's like a big air opening right here. So if you're in the winter, all this air will just come in, kill your heating and your cooling. So I'm gonna use this little slot area to run wiring, from under for like a backup camera, electricity up here. It's gonna be awesome. And after I finish that, I'm gonna fill up with all spray foam. Probably stick some rags under there, and then just fill it up, and then pull that rag off, and it should be good. On this side, I'm gonna do the same. Put some carpeting here, carpeting here, carpeting here. Little board right here, so I can put a full-size double pillow top. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, I use some mineral spirits on here to clean the cabs. I'm gonna get primer tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. What else? Oh yeah, someone recommended me get these. It's pretty nice. Got these at Home Depot. I'm gonna put it all over here. It's gonna look really clean, and it's gonna replicate my kitchen, because my kitchen, it's black and has white tile backsplash also. But yeah, new sink. Maybe a new sink. I don't know. I kind of like this sink, or one big sink. That would be really cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So anything else you guys want to give me some advice? I can touch this up and make it even more luxurious. That'd be awesome. Alright, see y'all later. Thanks for tuning in.